Hi, I'm Ray. We're in the garden and it's September. We've had some great weather and we've had the pool out. And now we can see the pool's made a bit of a circle on the grass. So today I'm going to try and recover the grass, get it back to normal during September so we can have a nice garden for next year. Let me show you what we're going to do. So if we take a look, we can see it's very dry and there's quite a bit of moss that's appeared. A little bit has regrown, but it's just really dry. We can even see tracks of ants where it's so dry. So let's get on and deal with this. So the first job is to cut the grass right down. So let's go on and do that. So we've got quite a bit of moss and that around here. So I'm using my lawn rake and I'm just going to give it a good old dig. Collect up some of this moss. You can see there's quite a bit of moss from in there. So I've given it a rake and collected up quite a pile of moss, good for a bit of a workout. So I got some grass seed. I'm just going to scatter it like feeding the chickens. I'm going to take our rake, I'm going to go the opposite direction, covering it over. So now it's all been raked in, I'm going to give it a good sprinkle of water. done. So that's a real good job done. So we can still sow seeds, grass seeds in September, as long as the temperature's above 8 to 10. At the moment it's been pretty warm all through August, so we should be alright. And as long as there's some rain scheduled, it's looking pretty much like it at the moment. So there we go. Let's get an update of how the grass grows. So let me know in the comments, have you grown your grass from seed? Let me know. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers.